Okay, I'm cutting off my head here, but I do have to say my story must start with excitement. I'm excited with the prospect of earning money in the drone business. It sounds like fun. It sounds like a exciting new way to make money, and it sounds like a near ground floor opportunity. And I do, in my limited economic theory background, realize that ground floor, if anything is to succeed business wise, ground floor is a can be a good place to be. So that's my story. I'm a 100% disabled war veteran, U.S. Army, 8 years active duty, regular Army, and the war, and 3 years Louisiana National Guard. So 11 years total military service. Proud of my service because I did what they asked me to. Warfare, well, that just was part of the deal, and I did there what I was supposed to. So thank you very much for the information given and for this opportunity. I hope to be able to, and I plan to stick it out to the end and start making some money. Though VA limits a 100% disabled veterans annual income to 11,000 plus. I can probably make that in days, weeks, or a couple of 3 months. And I'll be done with my year of work. Sounds good to me. Thank you.